Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is March the 15th. Today I want to touch base on my portfolio as well as talk about a penny stock that we covered in January. And I think today we saw like a really big spike. I'll give some details as to why this is that spike. But let's go to the portfolio right now. At 152,550, up by about 1.5% for the day. For the week, up by about 15.77%, which is about 20k. For the month, still down by about 14.61%, which is about 26,000. 3 months, up by about 16%, which is about 21,000. And for the year, up by about 74,000, which is about 65,000. So the company I'm talking about is CHEK Cap, ticker symbol CEK. For those who viewed my January 14th video, we covered this stock and I talk about my position when I started buying it. I did just buy a small position, but you can see today it's up by about 120%. So congratulations to everybody who managed to get some shares on this company, and I'll touch base on what happened and why the spike today. So for the day, it's up 121%. For the week, it's about 154%. The month, 95%. 3 months, 891%. The year, 153%. I think in the pre-market, I think it was up to even 180%, if I remember correctly. But I just took a small position back in January, which is 200 shares, average cost of 1.50. So at this point, most of you, I know you've doubled your money. And yesterday we touched on a penny stock similar to this company. It's the pharmaceutical industry, and I actually added my position today. I think about 254 shares, hoping to get to 1,000 shares in a few. So if you haven't checked that video, you can go and check my previous video out. So we are so far at 126% return. For those who don't know, I'll touch base, but let's check the stats. 243 million volume and market cap is 144, very small cap. It did open at 4.04 and it had a high of 441. So for most people who had like a trading stop loss or something like that, they were able to secure the profit. This is a long-term play for me, so I'm not even touching it. And you can see the 52-week high was reached today, which is the 449. Why is this stock up? And let's check the news. So CHEK Cap shares more than double, gets FDA approval for C-scan study. So for those who don't know this company, I'll talk a little bit about it shortly, but let's read this. CHEK Cap Limited shares more than doubled in Monday pre-market, up to 121% to 3.38. The clinical stage medical diagnosis company said the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved its investigational device exemption application. The company said this permits CHEK Cap to begin a pivotal study of C-scan in the U.S. C-scan is a screening test to detect polyps before they may transform into colorectal cancer. C-scan is intended for candidates who are at average risk for colorectal cancer and are poor candidates for colonoscopy or decline colonoscopy, or who had an incomplete optical colonoscopy. The pivotal study will evaluate safety and performance of C-scan as well as subject compliance with C-scan. The IDE approval is a significant milestone for CHEK Cap. Now, with IDE in hand, we aim to enter the last phase of demonstrating the clinical potential of C-scan in the US, with the ultimate goal of commercialization in this important market, said the Chief Executive Alex Ovadia. So this company has this pill that they want to bring out, which will help with colonoscopy scans. For those who know about most people, when it comes to diagnosis, they either are afraid or they're skeptical. But since they have been given approval to start the test, the biggest deal will be the results for these studies coming positive, and after that I think this stock will have some run up. But for now, I think all that has been considered into the price. We should expect like $4, which will be like a good return for most people. You can see the volume. A lot of people are trading in this stock just because you can just buy a dip with a pretty good volume and sell off at a good profit. So just be aware when you're trading this company. This is not financial advice. Always consult a professional and do your own due diligence. Penny stocks are very volatile, so be very careful when trading penny stocks. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I want to say that this company is one of the ones we covered. If you want to learn more about such companies, just keep it locked, turn on your notifications, subscribe, give you your thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Be green, be safe. See you on the next one.